The Russian tax agency reportedly wants to allow companies involved in cross-border trade to accept crypto as a form of payment, and pay foreign exporters in crypto assets. And the central bank has claimed that its digital ruble could be ready as soon as next year. Izvestia claimed it had seen written comments submitted by the Federal Tax Service (FNS), in response to the Ministry of Finance's draft crypto law, which suggests regulating the industry, placing caps on retail investors' annual spending on crypto, and policing, as well as taxing, minors. Per the report, the FNS suggested that a legal exception be made to a key provision in the draft law, which would outlaw the use of crypto to pay for goods and services. But the FNS suggested that businesses be exempted from the law and added the following draft clause: legal entities will be allowed to pay for goods, work, services under foreign trade contracts and receive proceeds from foreign entities in digital currencies. Digital currencies is just one of th. The report claimed that the Ministry of Finance partially supports the proposal, and has indicated that it would require further elaboration, discussion and, possibly, legislative clarification. Experts were quoted as stating that the implementation of the proposal could improve trade with Russia-friendly countries in which cryptocurrencies are recognized as legal tender. At present, that list is vanishingly thin, but it certainly seems to be the case that some international traders have. For instance, Venezuela appears to have amassed a stash of Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, from what appears to be oil export deals. However, the same experts claimed that crypto would likely not be used as an attempt to evade Western sanctions in cross-border trade, but rather facilitate settlements in cases of non-sanctioned trade where it is impossible to conduct transactions in dollars and euros. Meanwhile, sanctions on ruble. Reuters reported that the central bank's governor Elvira Nabiullina claimed that the digital ruble was already undergoing tests ahead of a wider pilot to be commenced in 2023. The digital ruble is among our priority projects. We have fairly quickly created a prototype. Now we are holding tests with banks and next year we will gradually have pilot transactions. Nabiullina was also quoted as explaining that the central bank is aiming to increase the number of countries that make use of its Mir banking cards platform, its homegrown alternative to Visa and MasterCard.